Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to add files in DeepSeek AI. First, you need to open a DeepSeek AI. Then you have to come to this page, and after coming to this page, you have to go to this option of text extraction only. Click on that, then select whichever file you want to add, and then click on open. After opening, you have to prompt whatever task you want it to do in regards to this file. After that, type in whatever you want. As you can see, I have written the prompt of extract only names from the file. I have uploaded an Excel sheet. Now I'm uploading it. After uploading it, now let's see. As you can see that it is extracting all of the names from the Excel sheet correctly. So that's how you can use your DeepSeek AI and to upload your files and make your tasks easy. If you find this video useful, then do not forget to like and share our video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.